Hello everyone, welcome to IEEE. Today we are going to see a project about sexual harassment prediction using machine learning. That is the project which we are going to discuss today. Before diving into machine learning, first of all, what we have to do means we have to know knowledge about what the meaning of sexual harassment or its cyberbullying. Nowadays, technology is boomed. Everyone using social media platform to express their opinion, on different each subject, to express their feeling via status, Tony and everything. Everyone wanting social media on it. What's the meaning of cyberbullying or sexual harassment? The use of technology to harass someone via social media platform or messaging platform. That is called the sexual harassment or a cyberbullying. We have to make sure to build a project which can capable of preventing those stuff from the online. That is called as cyberbullying prediction or as sexual harassment prediction using machine learning. This is the project which we are going to discuss today. First of all, we have to know what is the necessity to implement the cyberbullying prediction using machine learning. We have to know about the requirement for this project. The main necessity of this project was last year 2022, around 30,000 women globally got suicide due to this cyberbullying incident. While technology growing on one side, another side of the person having make advantage of those technology for the dark side of their needs. They are using this platform to express their vulgar opinion against the woman. So we have to make sure create a platform which can be able to prevent those technology, prevent those incidents. That is called as cyberbullying prediction using machine learning. So for this project, what we have to do means, for this project we have to create a machine learning protocol, machine learning application, which can automatically detect cyberbullying messages, cyberbullying comments, which can able to block those content. That's what we are going to do. In our proposed system, we are going to take images also. If someone sending images, cyberbullying images or pornography images, which it will block us. If someone sending pornography messages in a text format or harassment messages in a text format, it will block also. Our project will support both the vendor. Without wasting much further time, let's move on to the project demo section. Please connect this video project complete technical detail of this project, complete coding demo of this project. This is the IEEE base paper considered for this project. The IEEE base paper titled as A Benchmark Setup to Identify Online Hate Speech in English. This is the base paper which you are going to consider for this project. This project published on IEEE 2023, which is a very recent project. Let's see the project working here. Actually, they consider many words. For example, they have taken threat, terrorism, Indian related words, protest related words, as well as attack related words, Pakistan, Muslim. Those are the words they have taken relevantly. For this, they have used CNN, Convolutional Neural Network, as a proposed algorithm for this project. But the main drawback of CNN was lack of accuracy. While you are feeding too much of words for the training purpose, the CNN lacks accuracy, which will give poor accuracy while performing the test result. For the purpose only, instead of this CNN, we are going to create a new algorithm which is called Deep Neural Network. This is what we are going to consider. Let's see our proposed system in a PPT format. This is our modified title, an automatic method to prevent and classify cyberbullying incident using machine learning approach. This is the project based paper which you are going to consider. Our main aim of the project was to prevent the comprehensive understanding of cyberbullying incident as well as the corresponding offences. It should be classified. This type of offense was happening. This type of offense was happening. It should classify those content. Abstract. Let's see the abstract of the project. As we mentioned earlier, for this project we are using Deep Neural Network Classification as a proposed algorithm. We are using Deep Neural Network as our proposed algorithm here. So the main introduction was communication through the internet using WhatsApp, Facebook, Gmail, as well as Instagram. Those kind of things are increased in recent days. In past few years back, we are communicating with our friend via verbally through face-to-face. But now everyone using WhatsApp, social media platform only for communication. Due to this growth of social media platform, everyone kind of expressing their opinion in a wrong manner. They are using vulgar words, more preferred vulgar words frequently. These kind of things are called as a cyberbullying incidents. Also, we are having literature survey for this project. We have taken around 10 papers as a literature survey. We have preferred what's the drawback of those algorithms they have used. For example, we have preferred here Ahmadullah published some paper on 2019. This is the project title. They published the title. The main drawback of the thing was they have used a complex algorithm. They have taken Twitter and Facebook only. Those are the drawbacks. Like this, we have presented more than 10 literature survey. While purchasing the project, you can get everything. Or let's see what's the main exiting system. As we mentioned earlier, many algorithms in previous presented for the cyberbullying incident detection. Mostly everyone using convolutional neural network. As we mentioned in the base paper, everyone using convolutional neural network as a exiting algorithm. Obviously, some persons are using supporting vector machine, Navy Bayesian, random forest also they have used. But the most of the algorithm preferred convolutional neural network. But the main drawback was it having limited accuracy while exploring more data set. If you are feeding more number of data means it struggles. It leads to huge technical losses, data set losses. That's why we have preferred deep neural network in our proposal to modify the extension. The main drawback was, as we mentioned earlier, lack of concise classification due to its poor accuracy, as well as problem in understanding the samples. If you are giving more number of data means it can't able to sample those data. That also causes for less accuracy. That is the main drawback of the convolutional neural network. Let's move on to the enhancement which we are applying in this project. As an enhancement in this project, we are applying deep neural network. This is the main algorithm which you are using for this project, deep neural network. The deep neural network we are using to predict the cyberbullying incident. This is the project architecture. In the input, we are giving text data. Then text data means we are taking previous messages, around 9,000, 10,000 messages for this cyberbullying classification. We have to feed various number of data here. What data preprocessing will do means it will remove the stop data, comma, full stop, those kind of things it will remove. Then feature extraction. Feature extraction step, it will extract the bag of n-gram words for the reference. If you are giving the cyberbullying incident as an example, means it will refer what type of the words they have used, what type of combinational words they have used. It will extract those content. Then using deep neural network, it will train all those data. Then it will save it as a trained data set, predefined trained data set. In a text format, while testing the project, we have to create a web application. We have to feed any type of messages here. It will recognize those content as a cyberbullying or not as an output. The main advantage of deep neural network was it provides higher accuracy when compared to the previous base paper results. Also here, high frequency of occurrence. It will predict more number of cyberbullying incidents when compared to the existing base paper. Also, you can feed several number of data. It will work simultaneously for all this data. Also, we are creating images also. We are identifying images based cyberbullying also. If you are not using words, instead of that words, you are forwarding some images which contain cyberbullying content means. In our project, we are predicting images also. Those are the main advantages of this project. Models description also given. Dataset collection one module. Pick the model means you have to give the specific training algorithm. This is a pick the model. Train the model means after pick the model, we have to analyze the sentiment analysis. If your friend telling that Macha, I want to kill you, that means that is a friendly manner. If someone third person telling you, surely I want to kill you one day, that is a completely different manner. The trained model will apply the sentimental analysis here. It will predict the overall context, whether the person using that word in a friendly manner or that person using that same word in a not polite manner. It will recognize those content. Depends upon that, it will predict those content are cyberbullying or not. Test the model means you have to create a web application. In the web application, you can feed your own text messages which you are received from various persons. Depends upon the message, it will predict whether the contents are cyberbullying or not. Even you can feed images also, as we mentioned earlier. The algorithm we are using, deep neural network here. We have mentioned about the deep neural network some paragraphs. This is the data set which you are going to use, complete data set for this project. For this implement of this project, we are going to use Python language, Anaconda Navigator as a tool. Database we are using here is a MySQL platform. Data flow diagram, everything given for this project. In conclusion, we have mentioned that using the deep neural network model, we are concisely classifying the cyberbullying incident
exactly when compared to the previous model. Also, we are giving better accuracy when compared to the future model. As well as we are using feature-based learning, which will give the sentimental analysis. If someone using the same word in a friendly manner or abusive manner, it will predict automatically. So depends upon that only it will give the result. If someone using friendly manner means it won't give same content as a result. That's the main advantage. A reference for this project also given. In the future enhancement, instead of that English language, you can use Arabic language, Hindi language, or Tamil content, Kannada content, Telugu content. Those content we can add as a future enhancement. Then this is the reference. Let's move on to the project demo section. Keep on connected with this video. To run this project demo, we have to go to the project code folder. So this is the project coding folder. So this is the project main code which you are using here. This is the project main code we are using here. Feature extraction library, every library mentioned here. To run this code, we have to copy the project location. Just copy to that. Then we have to use Anaconda Navigator to run this project. I just opened Anaconda Navigator. In Anaconda Navigator, I have used project environment. Just to open the terminal here. After opening the project terminal, you should use cd space project location. That's it. After enter, you have to type python space app.py. This is the main code you have to use. So you should type python space app.py. Just give enter. Once project executed means it will give the localhost address. We are just waiting for the localhost address. Once localhost obtained means we can check with any result. This is the project localhost address. Copy that. Paste it on any browser. I am just pasting here. Just give enter. Once you given enter, the means it will go to the home page of this project. This is the project home page. Project abstract also given in the bottom. Project abstract also given here. You can go to the login page. The login page, you have to use the login credential. I'm just using admin as a username password here. So I should give the admin as a username password. Just to use admin as a username password. So just login success. After that, you have to upload the data set here. To upload the data set, I have to go to the project location. So this is the data set which you have to upload. Just to select this one. I'm just choosing that data set here. Cyberbullying code. Then I have to go to the dataset location. This is the dataset I'm going to use. Just to choose this content and just click upload. That's it. Once you have uploaded the dataset means it will give the dataset files which you uploaded. It's a collection of various messages which contain cyberbullying content, non-cyberbullying content, many type of messages it's having. Just try to show these are the messages we have to taken for the consideration. Many messages we are taken from the dataset. Just click train here. Click train to test. That's it. It will go to the training part. Once training completed means we can check the result with the testing page. I'm just waiting for the training part here. So training finished. Once training finished means just click OK. Just to go to this page, you can click any messages here. I'm just saying I am fine. How are you, dude? This is the message I'm using. Just click predict. So once I click the predict means data identify as a non-offensive content. I'm using again one more content. Instead of this, I'm using I am having college today. Meet me at canteen. I'm using this message. Just give predict. You can check the result. Data identify as a non-offensive. Let's use some vulgar words Again, I'm saying for project testing purpose only, I'm using these words. Don't use these type of words with anyone. Okay? For project testing purpose only, I'm using these words. I'm using this word. So let's see. This is the bad word I'm going to use for this project. Let's see that. This is the word I'm going to check for this purpose. Just click predict. So once predicted means go to the result. You can check data identify as an offensive. Those messages comes under offensive category. I can use one more content also. Again, I'm saying please don't use these kind of words with anyone. Okay? So this is the word I'm going to use. Just give predict. Check the result. Data identify as a offensive. Check. Just give this word. I'm just checking with earn free money from home. Earn free money from home. Just using work from home. Work from home. Daily 2 hours work. 2 hours work. This is the content I'm going to use. I can add some words also. Use online WhatsApp only. Online WhatsApp only. WhatsApp only. This is the word I'm going to use. Online WhatsApp only. Just check this content. Predict. This content also predicted as an offensive. Okay. So it will work perfectly, this project. Let's go to the chart page. In the chart page, you can check accuracy and everything. This project taken various datas. Free money related content, stocking related content, investment related cyberbullying content, job opening related cyberbullying content, many categories they taken. So this will work perfectly. Also for training, we have taken around 68% of data belongs to non-offensive category, around 31% of data, 32% of data belongs to offensive category. Those are the examples we have taken. Also for this project DNN, while using the DNN, you are getting training accuracy as a 98%. Testing accuracy as a 99%, which is very huge. Also, let's move on to the image-based part. To run the image-based part, you have to go to the cyber images. Just select this location, paste it here. CD space, paste the cyber images location. Then type python space app.py. Same command again. Python space app.py command, just use python space app.py. Just type this one. So once you given enter means it will run the image based part. It will give the image based result. Go to the image based testing part. 2 part of the project done. So you can take as a 2 part, 1 part for phase 1 result, 1 part for phase 2 result, or combine the result as a phase 2. You can check with anything. So this is the image based result. Select the location, paste it here, just give enter. So here cyberbullying image classification using machine learning. Again go to the login. In the login part I am using admin as a username password. Admin again. Just click login, that's enough. So you can check bullying classifier here. Just to choose image, go to the project images folder. Here some places test images. You can check any test images here. I am using this one, these images for checking. This is some famous cricketer. Just I am checking this image. It will give the result for this. Okay. So fake, detected image content, cyberbullying content, keep safe. You know that this man used to bully the Virat Kohli. That's why we have taken this image. It particularly predicted cyberbullying content. I'm choosing one more images. This image, let's take this image. This is the person before war. This is the person after war. This, just check with this image. So detected image was normal, no problem. So that person sent this image for the motivation, not for any bullying content. Again, I'm going to check with one more image here. So this is the image I'm going to check with. So toilet within photo is there. Just check this one. So detect image contains fake cyberbullying content. It will perfectly predict all type of images. I'm just giving one more image here. Let's move on to this. Someone rescuing the dog from the flood. Just giving this image to check. Detect image was normal, no problem. It will work perfectly. For images also, accuracy and everything given. You can check that also. So for images accuracy, we are getting training accuracy as a 97%, which is huge. To get this project, please visit our website ieexpert.com. We will give this project at best price. Also, we have done more projects on our website. Please visit our website. To get this project, check the description. More details given on the description. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel for upcoming projects and demos. Thank you.